Hello, my dear students. Today we will start with OCM. In that, we have already started with chapter number 2, trade. In that, we have completed wholesale trade. In that, we have learned various services given by wholesaler to manufacturer and retailer. Then, we have learned features of wholesaler. Afterwards, we have learned retail trade, features of retail trade, and various services given by retailers to manufacturer and consumers. Today, my dear students, we will start with types of retailers. Clear? So, types of retailers, in that you can see on the screen, there are two types of retailer: itinerant retailers, fixed shop retailers. Clear? Itinerant retailers and fixed shop retailers. In itinerant retailers, we will learn hawkers and peddlers, street traders, market traders, cheap jacks. And in fixed shop retailers, there are two categories: small scale fixed retailers and large scale fixed retailers. Small scale retailers, we will learn general store, second hand goods shop, authorized dealer, and specialty shops. And in large scale fixed retailers, we will learn departmental store, supermarket store, chain store, one price shop, and malls. So, today in detail, we will learn itinerant retailers. Dear students, first we will learn what do you mean by itinerant retailers. Clear? Itinerant retailers are those retailers who do not have a fixed place or fixed shop for the business. That means these are the retailers who do not have a fixed place. They cannot sit at one place and do business. They usually move from one place to other place. That retailers is known as itinerant retailers. Clear, students? Then next, we will learn types of itinerant retailers. I told you on that classification table that we will learn 5 types of itinerant retailers. Number 1 is peddlers, number 2 hawkers, market traders, street traders, and cheap jack. First, we will learn hawkers. Clear? Hawkers. Hawkers are one of the oldest type of retailers. Clear? They move from one place to another place, carrying goods in hand cart, moving from the city or place anywhere where they can easily sell. That means hawkers are those persons who basically carry hand cart. Right? They used to sell their goods in hand cart, moving from one place to other place. Then they require limited capital, and they used to shout on the street by taking the name of the product, clear, and price of the goods. Clear? So hawkers are nothing, it is a type of itinerant retailer. They basically send goods in hand cart, moving from one place to other place. They require very limited capital, and they used to shout on the street by taking the name and price of the product. Clear, students? The next we will see peddlers. Peddlers are the again oldest form of retailers. Clear? Peddlers are the oldest form of retailers, and peddlers are those who carry goods on their head in basket or container. As you can see on the screen, that peddlers are the person who carry goods on their head in basket, or it may be a container. Clear? They deal in low quality goods of day to day use on cash basis, such as vegetables, fruits, fish, utensils, etc. That means hawkers used to sell goods in hand cart, and peddlers used to keep their goods on their head and in basket or container. The next we will see street traders. Street traders means these retailers do their business on footpath of busy street of cities and towns. That means they are the retailers who used to sell their goods on footpath on a busy street. Clear? They mostly prefer those places where there are crowd, like marketplace, bus stop, railway station, school, colleges, etc. They set up temporary stalls on the roadside. Clear? Their prices of goods are reasonable. For example, if you will go out from the station. You can see there are many small retailers who used to keep their goods on the roadside, and they used to sell their goods on roadside. They do not change their place of business frequently. Clear, students? The next point is cheap jacks. What do you mean by cheap jacks? Cheap jacks have independent shops but temporary setup. That means they have a shop, but the shop is only for a temporary period of time. They keep changing their place of their business depending upon the response they get from consumers. Clear? Cheap jacks have a fixed shop for a particular period only. That means no doubt they have a fixed shop, but if the shop is not earning much profit, then what they will do, they will going to change their place. Again, they will going to change their place. Then they deal in variety of goods like cutlery, crockery, etc. And then the quality of goods is inferior. Then last we will see market traders. Market traders means what? Market traders open their shops on market days, that is on different places on fixed days. Usually you can see these traders in villages and towns where they have a weekly market known as a market day, right? Then on that various day, retailers come and set up their temporary shops at that particular village or town. Clear? They deal in variety goods like vegetables, pulses, fruits, toys, spices, etc. And it is also called as weekly market, right? You might have heard the word Mangal Bazaar, Budwar Bazaar, right? So these are what? These are nothing but it is a weekly market, and it is basically seen in villages and towns. Clear? So market traders are nothing but these are the retailers who open their shops on particular market days on different places on fixed dates. So that's all, my dear students, what we have learned today. We have learned types of retailers. In that we have completed itinerant retailers. Clear? Itinerant retailers are those retailers who used to move from one place to other place for their business. And in that we have learned 5 types of itinerant retailers. Number 1, hawkers. Hawkers used to sell their goods in hand cart by taking the name of the product and price of the product. Then second one is peddlers. Peddlers are the person who used to sell their goods on their head in basket or container. Then number 3, street traders. These are the traders who used to sell their goods on footpath of busy street of cities and towns. And cheap jacks. Cheap jacks have independent shops but for a temporary period. Then last one is market traders. Clear, students? So that's all for today. In my next lecture we will start with fixed shop retailers. In that we will learn small scale fixed retailers. Thank you.